Meaning of doozy.
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 Doozy. The term doozy is an informal adjective used to describe something that is particularly remarkable, striking, or unusual. It's often used to indicate that a situation or object is surprising, memorable, or difficult to forget. Something that is a doozy can be either positive or negative, but it always leaves a strong impression on the person who experiences it. Overall, doozy is a versatile and colorful word that adds a touch of flair and emphasis to any sentence or description in which it is used.